Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 24 inch or 30.5 or 61 centimetre canvas, and it's another value pack from Semco. I was very fortunate. So what I thought I might do is 3 ring pours. So these 2 cups, just to make the video a bit shorter, I've already poured, and I started with white and use them. This middle one I'm going to start with black, and I didn't really need to mess up another cup, but there you go, I did. So and about give or take halfway I put in a splash of gold just to see what will happen, and it should be pretty, to say the least, because this is a very nice gold, once again from Semco, and right, so there's my 3 cups. And I don't think you needed to see the other 2 get poured, but there you are. So I'm just going to do a ring pour here. And I think that's about it. Pour here. I don't know if you can see the gold, but it's in there. I can see it. And too much paint, but let's do the 3rd one. The recipes for the pouring medium and the paint you'll find below the video under Show More, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and I think that's all I can tell you on that line. Back to the centre. Take it over the edge and back. Back to the centre. Got a bit of plastic still on here. Make sure that's covered. More over, and turn it around, and there's no silicone in any of these colours, but there is Floetrol, so I am expecting to get a little bit of activity, but not a lot. Right. And I'm a bit unhappy about that centrepiece. That didn't work out as well as I had actually hoped. Come here. Put it on here. So we might have to see what we can do about this centre. How are you? Yeah, you need a little bit too. Alright, but it's quite pretty just the same. If I perhaps bring it to me, a little, and then back, just to liven it up. And I don't know what I'm going to do with that centre just yet. But it does need some white, which I do happen to have. White, black, the gold, and more white. And I'll give him another little burst in the centre. Just rolling him around a little. Oh, now it's looking very nice. I'll just bring this gold down. Right, I think I'll leave that. This one didn't do its little thing all that much, did it? Alright, still have a little bit left. And we'll see about another little one, bit of gold. And the last of the white. Bringing him over and around a bit. I think I like it just like that. Spread him out down here a little bit. Right, and then over this way. So there we are. I'm happy as. I think that's really pretty. And that end. So I've got black. Let me wipe my hands. If I quickly do some white here. And some core medium. I can do that other corner the same way I just did these. Right, good. Into you. Right. Come on, gold. I'm going to scrape out, I think. Let's get that. A little bit of black. And a tad more white. Right. And we'll do this bloke. Oops, around. Same thing here. And just a tad. Oh yes, now I'm happy as. What have I got there? A couple of little air bubbles, I think. Go away. How your mama, she wants you. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a little torch. I wipe my hands first, and where did I put the lighter? Goodness gracious. Alright, I have to go and grab a lighter. I shall return. Just get back settled in again, a bit out. Out. The other out. Okay, here we go. So I've got the cigarette lighter. And I'm going to torch. This one, and I will now bring you down to take a look so you can see yourself. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. And that's my little dog. And click the little bell beside the word subscribe, and you will be notified then as I put up videos. This is what I've been looking at, and as I said, there's no silicone in any of these, so I wasn't expecting any cell activity, and whilst I might have one or two here and there, I don't really have any. So, and the gold has just shown its little self in about exactly the right amount that I would have liked, so I'm quite happy with that. And yeah, what more can I say? This is really pretty. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.